Hey guys, today we're looking at the set of AA batteries with the fast charge case. This is the case, opens up like that. All the batteries are in there. This is how they are supposed to be in order for them to charge. Don't forget to remove a little card right here. That's a protective card. That's just for packaging. Just remove it, and that's how you'll be able to charge this. It does come with this USB-C charging cord. In the long run, this set will save you money and will reduce waste. You don't have to recycle every time the battery runs out. You can just go ahead and recharge it. This is, like I said, a fast charger. Plug it in right there. As soon as you close that, it detects the batteries that need to be recharged and it starts charging them for you. You don't have to have all the 8 batteries in there to charge. And it'll start blinking the lights, and that means it's charging. When it's solid light, then that means that the battery is fully charged. 3,600 milliwatt hours per battery. That's plenty of power. Also, it lasts up to 2,000 recharges, which is great. Very nice, competitive recharge life. Lets you stay powered, never run out of batteries again.